Oh yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Supreme cover right here.
Oh my god.
I'm heading straight for that barrel when this game starts. Vloggy talk. Woo! Vloggy talk.
What up, guys?
GoonFox here with teammate Brody or
Yo.
Fabio.
Hey.
Fabio. My gun's down still from I believe it was the last video I posted was when it went down. One more. Cutting through some bushes here. Today I am running this beautiful thing. This is a classic. This is a classic Army.
Yeah, so the only thing
this.
that's even stock on this gun is the upper and lower full body receiver. Everything else is not from the original gun. Go ahead and give it a couple rips.
Right, just listen to that, people. Just listen. You hear that?
Oh boy.
Oh no.
No, don't dry fire that bitch.
It's empty mag.
You have a whole empty mag before the game starts?
I was having too much fun.
It is a fun ass gun. It's what I ran all of Summer Slaughter this year. Stupid ridiculous.
Saving mine for the battlefield. Word up to all 25 of you guys who follow this. Thanks. There's not very many of you guys, but you're there. So my content isn't too consistent. I don't really have much of a schedule, you know. It's just every Sunday whenever I feel like I'm out or whatever. So that being said, don't expect much. Just don't.
Just enjoy what you get.
Just enjoy what you get. All right, we out. There's two at Tiger, and it sounds like there's one this way somewhere.
They're moving up that left side. They got a body going.
One in front of Tiger. Hey! Oh man, we're dead.
The SSG 24 with the M40A3 stock with my little twist on it. Got the zoom cam. About ready to smoke some fools. Headshots. Check it out.
The headshots.
Check it out. Headshots.
Ready!
I don't know how to use it.
Pull the trigger. Please.
There we go. There we go. Go. Save it. Okay, move back over where I was. Move over where I was. Oh fuck. Brody, get out of here.
Yep.
Move over there somewhere.
Oh, hold on. Tanks down. Get out.
All right, let's go. Come on. Put.
Here we go.
What is this?
This is a M4 barrel
That was my arm. I felt it.
that's been epoxied into the back of a $5 shotgun with a M203 on the bottom. And then I added some extra stuff. Oh yeah, it's a beaut. There's a grenade in there right now. I added on the wood, lots of zip ties, and then Picatinny with a scope. So
Back here. Just stay back here. I'm telling you, no movement. We stay back here. Let them come to us. And then once we
Tasty
start
little
tagging one after the other.